So hello guys, welcome back. This is Viren Kumar. So in this video session, I am going to discuss about the how we can run the automation script in the headless browser using the Azure DevOps pipeline. In last my video, I have shown that how we can launch the Chrome browser through the Azure DevOps pipelines, and we have executed few scripts for the demo. In this video, I am going to show that how we can run the automation script without launching the browser, or is it possible to run the automation script through the build pipelines when we are not launching the browser. Okay, so basically this is the recommended way to run the automation script in the headless mode when we are doing the CI/CD execution. Okay, any tools which you are using for the CI/CD, we are not launching the browser. We always do execution in the headless mode. Okay. So this headless setting is done in your automation script. So on my screen, you can see this is our BDD Cucumber project which we are following for the demo, and this is our print google.java. So this is a step definition file which we are using for the demo purpose. Okay. And wherever you are keeping the browser code, means wherever you are writing the code to launch the browsers, in that you need to add some lines. Okay, the first line you need to add the Chrome options, option equal to new Chrome options. Okay, this line you need to add in your automation script. Okay, and these options will come from the org.selenium selenium chrome dot options package. So this is the package name. Okay, you need to import this package for this one. Okay, after that it will be imported into your code, and then you need to add this options dot add arguments. So in the add arguments, when you say this headless, so this is the input for that. So the as an argument we are providing, so the string arguments we will use. So this headless input and disable GPU Windows size. It will ignore the certificate errors. It will disable the extensions, not sandbox, and disable dev some uses. So when some, you know that when we are launching the browser, we are getting some certificate issues to log in to the sites. Any certificate issues missing, then we are getting the error. Sometimes the window size is zoom in, zoom out. So we are enabling the protected mode on and off. So like that settings we can disable. Okay, by adding the arguments. So you need to add these two lines. And finally, when you are writing your driver code, so this is the driver, new Chrome driver. So in that driver code you need to add these options. Okay, once it is done, then you can save this code, and after that you need to push this code to your source code management tool. So I have done this pushing the code. I just added this code in my automation script, and then I have added this file print google.java, and I just commit, and then I push the code to my BDD Cucumber master branch. Okay. And finally you can see this is the github.com. This is my github.com account, and there I'm keeping all my code. And under this BDD test report, I have this step definition, and under this I have pushed this code. So now you can see the code in my cloud directory. Okay, this is my source code management tool. So I have this code in my cloud directory. Now I want to execute this code through the CI/CD pipeline. So in my last video I have created this pipeline. Okay, we will use the same pipelines. If you don't know how to create and configure the pipeline, you can watch the previous video how to run the automation script with the Google Chrome browser. Okay, I will provide the link in the description. You can watch from there. Okay, so now this is the pipeline. Okay, let me change the pipeline number 11, and agent pool is the default pool, and here we get the source code from the Git repository. So this is the source code management repository name, and this is the master branch, and this is agent job which we are going to run. So let me change the agent job name. So it's the name 11, and this is pom.xml file. Keep it as it is. Now you just save and run the automation script. Now you can see the automation script will start running here on this agent. As of now, my machine is the agent for this one. So the script will run. So you can see the agent job 11 is starting on my local machine. And let me check the status of this one. As of now, this is in the queue. This is started the job. Now you can see the automation script is executing, and this is launching the Chrome. But this is not launching the code. This is executing the sysout code. Okay, it's started the Chrome driver. Okay, and after launching the Chrome, it will click on the Chrome. Okay, but there is no browser is launched. Okay, you can see the Chrome is not launched. It's running in the headless mode. Okay, now finally you can see the automation script is executed successfully. The build is successful. Okay, result test. Okay, and this is finished the maven pom.xml file. Okay, so now it's you can searching in the Chrome, clicking in the Chrome. So now you can see this code is running in the headless mode. So like that you can run your automation script in the headless mode. If you will get an error, you will get into the log. So to check this one, you can view the raw log. Okay, in that log you will get the errors, proper errors. If your script is failed because of the Selenium issue, build issue, if element is not found, not clickable, it will show here and you can fix that one. And definitely you will get the error, because whenever you are running the automation script in the headless mode in the CI pipeline, you will get some element not found error, element is not available. Okay, like that something you error. So how you can fix that? You just increase the waiting time for that. Okay, because the Chrome behavior will be little bit different in the CI/CD pipeline execution. Okay. Okay, cool. So this is how we can run the automation script in the headless mode in the CI pipeline.